Hey everyone, it's Erin Photo Designs, and I am here to tell you about a giveaway that I am doing. So if you guys have seen my stories over the weekend, you know that I went on a crazy road trip, so I'm a bit exhausted and don't really have the energy to do a full-on video for you this week. So I just want to tell you about the giveaway that I am hosting over on my Instagram. So all the details will be down, but I want to give you a visual of everything that you will get with this 10,000 follower giveaway. So I'm going to start with the big ticket item, which is a Scribbles That Matter A5 dotted journal. So I am teaming up with Scribbles That Matter. They will be providing the journal. So I am showing you actually my next journal, but you guys will be able to choose the color scheme you want depending on availability in your country, because this is an international giveaway. So thank you to Scribbles That Matter for teaming up with me for providing the journal. That's really sweet of them, really exciting. As you guys know, I am a full believer in Scribbles That Matter journals. I am on my, I don't know, sixth, seventh, I think maybe seventh journal. This might be my 8th coming up. So I am a huge believer. I love the quality. They're super buttery pages. If you want to see a full review on it, I actually have a comparison video above, which I will link up here in the card and in the description below. So big ticket item is that Scribbles That Matter journal. So I am so happy that they decided to team up with me on this. I really appreciate them doing so. The next item is this 5 count of Sharpie pens. So they have a couple different versions of these Sharpie pens. I decided to go for this like more pastel type count. So it has a black, blue, green, orange, and a pink. It is bullet journal friendly. These don't bleed through bullet journal papers. It's a 0.8 millimeter pen, so it's a little on the bigger side of pens. It's quick drying to prevent smearing, durable fine tip, delivers precise and consistent writing, fade and water resistant ink. So I don't personally use Sharpie pens in my bullet journal, but I know a lot of people that do, and they really seem to like them. So I am throwing that in for this giveaway. So it's this 5 count. I am also doing a 5 count of Muji pens. Now I do use Muji pens in my bullet journal. They're really good. It's more like a G2 pilot pen where it doesn't have a flat tip, it has a pointed tip. So I am giving away these 6-pack of Muji gel ink pens. This is in the 0.5 millimeter and they are all black. I do love Muji products, so I'm really excited to give these away. The next thing I'm giving away is these little, I found these at the airport, so I decided, you guys all know that I love my cats. If you have spent any time on this channel where my cats just jump up and do whatever they want, or if you've seen my Instagram stories and they're all over that. So there's a little 3-pack of these cat sticky notes, which they're just so cute. And I thought that they really worked with a fall palette, so I decided to include these as well. The next item I'm giving away is these Tombows. These are from a large pack, so they have not been used even though they are packaged. They aren't packaged up. I decided to pick and choose the color palette for this one, so I am giving away a 177, so this nice forest green, a 098, which is more of an olive green, 946, which is like a Halloweeny pumpkin orange, and then 912, which is like a nice lighter tan that I thought would go nicely, and an 885, which is a red. So I thought it would be nice to handpick a fall color palette because the fall is coming up for most of us in the Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, if you are one of my winners, I'm sorry that I decided to go with a fall palette. But then you can use them when fall comes around for you guys. So, so I thought that would be fun to have these Tombows. So 5 Tombows are part of this giveaway. And then I have 2 Simply Gilded. So this is from the August collection. I am not really a floral person, so I decided to include these in the giveaway. So they're Simply Gilded. They are this nice book version that is foiled, and it has some florals on it, and then some blue and white florals with some birds. I think those are hummingbirds. So I decided to give these 2 away as well because I'm not going to use them, so I thought you guys might like them. And then the last thing I'm giving away is one of my blank cleaning trackers because these are very popular in my shop. So I thought I would go ahead and include that. It is, if you guys haven't seen, it is a cleaning tracker that I use a lot in my bullet journal, week or month in and month out. And I'll go ahead and show you an example of a cleaning tracker. So I do daily, weekly, monthly, and then I do the days of the week that I do that activity, and then dishes would be every day, and then I have a version for bi-weekly. So I decided to include a blank one for you guys to go ahead and fill out for that since it is very popular in my shop. So I hope you guys like this giveaway. I am so appreciative of 10,000 followers, so I thought I would just kind of go above and beyond and do all these things. And you know what, while I'm thinking about it, I'm also going to throw in this Tombow mono correction tape. It is a whiteout that you can just slide across, and I'll go ahead and show you an example. So it's really good to use in your bullet journal for when you make those little mistakes that you want to correct. I use it all the time because I'm a little bit of a mess. So so I'll go ahead and throw that in there as well. Why not? So this is a ton of stuff, and I just want to go ahead and tell you how appreciative I am of 10,000 followers. It is still amazing to me. I am, again, at a loss for words, but I just really appreciate you guys. It means a lot to me that you guys like the content that I put out. I do put a lot of work into my YouTube channel, to my Instagram, to everything like that. So I really feel like you guys appreciate the hard work I put into it. So thank you so much for 10,000 followers, and even more now. I'm at like 10,200 something. So as of filming this video. So I hope you guys appreciate the giveaway. Again, it's international. It's hosted on my Instagram, not on YouTube. So YouTube has no affiliation with it. Neither does Instagram, but I'm hosting it on there because it's just easier for me. So go check out the link in the description to the giveaway post, where it will tell you all the things you have to do in order to go into or enter yourself into this giveaway. Thank you guys for being patient while I am still pretty tired and letting me do this video. I mean, I guess you have no choice, but thanks anyways for not getting mad that it's not a real video and that it's just kind of going through the giveaway. So thank you so much. I will see you on the flip side, and good luck entering this giveaway, and have a great weekend. Bye everyone.